Hi everybody, Laura here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you love handbags in any way, shape, or form, then you will definitely love this channel. So I actually had planned on doing a very gorgeous unboxing of my new handbag. Um, it came beautifully boxed. It was exquisite. Um, but unfortunately, after I had videoed the whole unboxing and everything, I deleted it off of my camera. It's one of those really proud moments I have in my life. So unfortunately, it's already unboxed, but I will show you the box. So my new bag came in this gorgeous, gorgeous, gigantic box, which I don't know, maybe a little overkill, maybe. But came beautifully boxed. I had it all, as opening, and it was all a big, dramatic, beautiful presentation, but, it got erased. So I am going to show you, however, the bag that I did get off of Valentino. And Valentino, if you do not know, it's one of those luxury brands that actually does sales on their website. It's still going on right now, and they are doing like 40% off on handbags and shoes and accessories and things like that. So you may want to check it out. Now, when I did the first video and actually got this bag like 2 weeks ago, it was still on their site. But now I see that it's no longer on there because the selection is slowly dwindling down. Sorry, but still check it out because 40% off, it's still going to be a decent chunk of change, but better than paying full price, right? So the bag in question that I got was the medium tote in ivory and pink. And this little gal was $1,348. And that was with 40% off. But this was a bag that I love this design. I love their panthers. I had seen a bag on the rail, and it was a smaller flap bag, and I was like, I think I want it. I think I want it. I think I want it. Let me think about it. And when I went to finally buy the bag, it was sold. So, lesson learned. But I did get this beauty right here, which is the medium tote, which is actually still a really good size. It's not too large. It doesn't look like I'm carrying a suitcase, but it still holds plenty in it. So when I hold it, it doesn't look gigantosaurus on me. It does have the removable shoulder strap. I always like when it's versatile. Shoulder, hand, shoulder, hand. I love that. So this one you can easily carry around. The strap can even be tucked inside if you don't want to remove it. And it does have, which I like as well, there is a super strong magnetic clasp right here. I still have the blue protective covers on, even on the inside of here. I don't know why, but I always try to leave on whatever protective coverings are on the bag to somehow like protect it longer. It's just me. It drives my husband crazy that I leave films on everything. I just don't want, we literally, like 2 years after I'd gotten a microwave, I still had the protective film over the buttons. I know, I know. It does have a pocket inside, which is where my other little Valentino stuff. Is it me, or why is it when you get a bag, they have to give you like 5 million tags and little paper things all inside of it? I don't get it. I don't know why there's so many. And this is another a little Valentino card that's like just, it's just, I don't get it. But anyway, there's 2 more pieces of paper that I'll never read in my lifetime, I'm sure. But I'm going to tuck it away in the pocket just for safekeeping. So what I did get after I got the bag, which I love, 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 love the Panthers, I found on off Saks Fifth Avenue, I found, and I believe I ended up paying like $100 for this. It was like 98 or something. It's just the big Panther. But after I got it, I wasn't really loving the black against that. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of big, but I thought it would be cute to hang on there. But now it's not so cute. I don't like that. I don't really like that. You're gonna go back in the bag. So she is canvas with leather trim, leather bottom, handle, and strap. Great bag, super functional. I love to carry this. It's easy to get in and out of, which is another pet peeve of mine. If I can't get in and out of the bag quickly and easily, you're going on the you're going to the consignment shop is where you're going. But I really do like this bag. It's fun. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful fuchsia pink color on this. I really do love this one. And again, yeah, $1,400 is, it's still a lot for a bag. It is, no question. But 40% off. Normally, I rarely will buy a bag that is brand new. The exception is when I want a bag and it's nowhere to be found on pre-loved market, which these are like really hard to find. And now that they are out of season, I'm sure you'll see them on, resale markets, but they're probably going to be somewhere in the realm of 25 to 3,000, because you can no longer get it. And people like to do that for some reason. I don't know why. They like to hoard things and then, try to jack up the price even more because they know everybody wants it who didn't get it when it was available. Whatever. Don't get it. So other bags that I have gotten, again, were bags that were, can't find them anywhere. So I did end up biting the bullet on this. It really took me, it took me a couple days. I found it. I'm like, oh my God, I want it. And then I had to kind of stop and think about it and think about it. Went back, it was still available. So I'm like, okay, I did it. Click. Which now that it's gone, I'm glad I did, because I would have been really mad at myself if I had passed up and not gotten this bag. I think it's a great bag for travel. I am always in warm weather usually, so it doesn't matter. This will go year round. It doesn't matter where I am. No one cares anymore, do they? Do people really care whether a bag looks fall, winter, or spring, or summer? I don't know. I would like to see more seasonless bags. Just bags you can carry all the time. and not worry about what's in, what's out, and what season it is. Hopefully someday that happens. But again, beautiful, beautiful. I almost feel bad, I guess showing this bag now because you really can't get it. So the other thing I want to say as well is, I don't want anyone feeling like if I'm sharing a bag or if I'm unboxing a bag or if I'm reviewing a bag, whatever I'm doing with a bag, I never want anyone to feel like they have to get that bag, or I hope it doesn't entice you into, buying every bag that I show or trying to get a new bag every time I have a video come out. I just enjoy showing you guys options that are out there. I'm not saying, hey, this is a great bag, go out and buy it. I'm saying I like it, I enjoy it. You can watch it purely for visual entertainment, but I don't want people to try to, I don't know, like keep up. Or I remember, years and years and years ago, back when I really couldn't afford designer luxury bags, yeah, I would watch videos too and be like, oh, I wish I could get that or try to get that. And, after a while, you purchase things and then you end up like, I really didn't want some of this stuff or a lot of it. And a lot of these bags are big investments. So I hope you at least get the entertainment value of looking at what I am showing you, and making informed, good decisions on purchasing things like this, because it can spin out of control really quick. And I kind of know that because I think I'm over 200 now. I'm over 200 in the handbags. I know. I have a problem. I don't know if there's Handbags Anonymous, but I think I need to go. But anyway, guys, I just want you to know that if you are looking for Valentino, again, they are having a sale, just saying. So look for that, and also look for bags always on the pre-loved sites. I know I always tell you that it's a great way to save some cash so you can spend it on, shoes or something else. Why not? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Valentino. Well, it was an unboxing, but not really, reveal of this cute little bag here. And I am going to be showing you some other bags I got. I know I need help. I need help. But I do have other bags that I just got, and I want to share those with you guys. I can't wait to share those with you, so stay tuned for that one as well. So until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.